We are pleased to show you the 2013 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, power brakes, compass, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.